than negative 1. It's meaning x greater than negative 1. Letter B, all values less than 2, it will be x less than 2. Letter C, all values to the right of negative 9 on the number line, it will be x greater than negative 9, because he tell us all values are here, all values to the right of negative 9. Right of negative 9, it will be x greater than negative 9. Okay, the right of negative 9, it will be more than, it's meaning more than. Look at the number line here and negative 9. All values to the right of negative 9, it will be what? Negative 8, negative 7, negative 6. It's meaning x greater than negative 9. Letter D, all values to the left of the number 2, it will be x less than 2. Left of 2, we have 2 here. Left of 2, it will be 1, 0, negative 1, it will be x less than 2. Okay, understood. Next question letter E. Four and all values to the left of the right of number 4. 4 and 4, it's meaning with me in the result. And all values to the left of the number 4, such that 3, 2, 1, and so on to negative infinity here. It's colored this part, so the solution set will be 4 and 3, 2, 1, it's meaning x less than or equal to 4. You can write x less than or equal to what? Negative 4. Question letter E. Okay, less than or equal to, all values less than or equal to. Question letter E, all values greater than or equal to 6, it will be x greater than or equal to 6. All values to the left of the number 2, it will be x less than 2. This equation, don't choose this. Okay, again letter E again with me here. All values greater than or equal to 6, it will be x greater than or equal to 6. Why? Because he tell us in the example. Okay, question letter E. All values greater than or equal to 6, we can write here 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 to right hand side. Okay, question letter F. Okay, letter F, all values less than or equal to a negative 8, it will be x less than or equal to negative 8. Look at number line here. Negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, negative 13, less than or equal to negative 8 here. Numbers to left hand side. Okay, question letter G. 4 and all values to the left of the number 4. 4 here, and all values left to the number 4, such as that 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you must choose 4 and 3 and 2 and 4, 2 and 1 to negative infinity, then x will be less than or equal to 4. Okay, it's question letter G. Question letter H. Letter H, negative 2 and all values to the right of negative 2, and all values right of negative 2, such that negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, from negative 2 to infinity. Okay, so the solution will be x greater than or equal to negative 2. Okay, or you can write x greater than negative 3, so integrate the number. about question letter H and question I. Negative integers, it's meaning x less than 0. Negative integers, x less than 0. Positive integers, x greater than 0. Natural number, x greater than negative 1. Okay, letter K, we can write natural number, it will be x greater than or equal to 0. Letter K, the natural number, it will be x greater than negative 1 or x greater than or equal to 0. Question I, counting number, it will be x greater than 0 or x greater than or equal to 1. Question letter M, non-negative integers. Non-negative, it's meaning 0 and positive. Then you can write x greater than or equal to 0, such as 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, and so on to infinity. Okay, choose the correct answer. 20 plus 25 equal space. We can use here distributive properties and find another expression by write the greatest common factor between 20 and 25. 20 plus 25. We know the greatest common factor between two numbers here will be 5. 20 divided by 5 equal 4 and 25 divided by 5 equal 5. Question number 2. 13,510 divided by 23 equal 587 and the remainder space. To find the remainder, you must find the multiplication between 23 and this number and the result subtracted from the dividend. So you can write the remainder here equal, about this example, look at with me about steps. First step, write here 13,510 subtract by multiplication 587 times 23. 13,510 subtract by multiplication between two numbers here. Draw the draft here and find the result in this draft. Okay, we will find here what? Find the remainder. Okay, we will draw here the draft and find the result in this draft. Find the multiplication between two numbers. Write 587 multiplication by 23. 3 times 7 equal 21, 1 and carry up 2. 3 times 8 equal 24. 24 plus 2 equal 26. Write 6 and carry up 2. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 2 equal 17. Plus write 0. 2 times 7 equal 14. 4 and carry up 1. 2 times 8 equals 16 plus 1 equals 17. 7 and carry up 1. 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 plus 1 equal 11. 1 plus 0 equal 1. 6 plus 4 equal 10. 0 and carry up 1. 8 plus 7 equal 15. 1 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 equal 2, 2 plus 1 equal 3, and then write 1 here, behind it. It will be 13,501. Since the remainder, it will be 9. The difference between two numbers here will be 9, okay? So, the result will be 9 about question number 2. Question number 3 is the absolute value of negative 3 plus absolute value number 2. The result will be 3 plus 2 equal 5. Question number 4. Negative 7 space natural number not belonging to natural number. Negative 7 not belonging to natural number because the natural number beginning by 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. We called it natural number. Question number 5 is the coefficient in the expression 6d plus 2. 6 here we called it the coefficient. The coefficient will be 6 and 2 we called it the constant or we called it the absolute term. Question number here complete. Number 1, 3/5 a number n. 3/5 a number n, meaning 3 over 5 multiplication by n. Question number 2 is the smallest odd prime numbers. It will be 3. We know the prime number, any prime number has only two factors, can divide it by itself and one only, such as that 2, 3, 5, 7, and we know 2 is the digit. It's the only digit prime number even. The only even prime number is 2. Okay, And this example is the smallest odd prime number, it will be 3. Question number 3. The least common multiplication between 5 and 7, it will be 35, because 5 and 7 we call dealt what? Prime numbers. We need two prime numbers. The least common multiplication between them, it will be their product. But the greatest common factor between two prime numbers, it will be 1. Okay, so in this example, if you want to find the least common multiplication between 5 and 7, you must write 35, because 5 times 7 equals 35. Question number 4, the opposite of the number -10, it will be 10. Question number 5, we want to find the difference between two numbers here. 6 and 3/10 subtract by 2 and 1/5. Write 6 here and 10 in numerator. Write 2 and 10 in numerator. 2 times 5 equal 10 and 2 times 1 equal 2. 6 minus 2 equal 4. And write 10 in numerator. 3 minus 2 equal 1. The result will be 4 and 1/10. Arrange these numbers ascending meaning from least to greatest. Question here we have -9, -12, 20, -20, 0, -6, 1, absolute value of -12. Okay, look at with me here. We must find the result about absolute value about -12. It will be 12. Then the order here from least to greatest, you want ascending order. Ascending, it's meaning from least to greatest, right? -12 the first, and then -9, -6, right? 0 and 12, and the last one, it will be 20. Okay, this number here, a number less than 10, it's meaning x less than 10. You must write x less than 10. H3 2 is the double of the x, it will be 2x plus 3.